Good morning. Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine, and I even wish for your good health and happiness. So let's see what are we going to read today. So today we are going to read Moral Science, Class 4, Chapter 6. Rohan learns a lesson. So here the whole story revolves around Rohan. Okay, so let's begin up with the story time. Rohan was looking out for a book on wild animals in the library. He found a very beautiful book on wildlife. It contained beautiful pictures and photographs of wild animals. So here what Rohan is doing, children, he is reading a book. He's looking out for a book. And what kind of book? A book in which he could find wild animals. So after searching for it, he got one. Okay, and what he found there in that book, he could see beautiful pictures. Rohan was tempted to tear the photograph of giant panda. He looked here and there. Nobody was there. He tore out one of the page from the book and put it in his pocket. He came out of the library. Nobody suspected him. So after finding the book, he was very much tempted. He was very much urged that he wants to tear the photograph of what, children? Of giant panda. So what he did, he was looking first this side, then the other side, and when he saw nobody was there, what he did, he tore one of the pages and put that page inside his pocket, and he came out of the library. Nobody would suspect him. Yes, is it good, children? Tearing pages from the library book, is it good? No, it is not at all good. We have to respect the book. Then only knowledge could be gained. Yes, these books are meant for our benefits. We should not spoil it. We should not tear any of the pages. Are you getting me, children? Okay, let's go to the next one. A few days passed by. Rohan went to the library again. He borrowed a book on Harry Potter. When he started reading, when he started reading it, he found it very interesting. So after he did that incident happened, what he did, he went again to the library and he borrowed a book. Which book he borrowed, children? He borrowed the book of Harry Potter. Harry Potter, have you heard the name of Harry Potter? I hope many of you might have heard it. Yes, the story, the film is also made. So what he did, he started reading it, and what after reading the book, he was feeling very much interesting. As the story was going on, he was getting more and more interesting thing about it. So let's see what happened next. Every day he read it with great interest. When he reached the end of the book, he found that the last page of the book was missing. So after reading things, when he reached at the end page, what he found, that there was no last page. Now he could not read the conclusion of the story. He felt so disappointed. Suddenly, he remembered that he has also taken out a photograph from the book. He has also deprived the reader of a page. He felt ashamed. So now, when he started reading a book, who is this boy, children? He is Rohan, yes. And what book he was reading? He was reading uh, which book? He was reading a book on Harry Potter. So he was reading it he was reading wholeheartedly. But when he reached the last page, he found that there was no last page, and he did not know how the story ended. He felt very disappointed. He felt sad, and then he remembered. What he remembered? That once he has also done the same thing. He has also deprived the reader of a page. So now he is feeling ashamed of that. He went to the librarian and told her the whole story. The librarian was angry at first, but finding that Rohan was so repentant, she let him off. Rohan thanked her and promised her that never to do such a thing in future. So as a whole, the boy was very honest. So what he did, he went to the librarian and he told her the story. What story? That he tore the pages of one of the book. First the librarian was very angry. The librarian ma'am was very angry. But then when she found that Rohan was feeling regret, pachtawa hona, Rohan was feeling regret. So she forgave him. After that, Rohan thanked her and he promised her that he would never do such a thing in future. He is never going to repeat this mistake. So, what did you learn from this, children? The main objective to teach you this lesson was that how Rohan learns a lesson. He made a mistake. Yes, what mistake he made? He tore one of the pages of the book because of the picture. So how karma came back? Karma means whatever good deeds you do, you will get back good deeds. If you do bad things to people, the bad things will come back to you. That's what karma means. So he deprived one fellow that he tore the page, and now he is also facing the same problem. How? Because when he was reading the book, the last page was turned and he didn't know how the story concluded. But one thing, remember, children, unless and until you confess your mistake, it cannot be corrected. You should tell your parents, you should tell the teacher whatever mistakes you have made, then only we can help you out. Okay, like how Rohan did, he made a mistake, but then he confessed. He went to the librarian and he told her. First, the librarian was angry. She would be, because he did a mistake, but then she would even forgive him for his mistake. She even forgave him for his mistake. So you need not do any such a thing in anywhere. All the books need to be respected. Okay. So let's come to the answer the following question part. First question is, what was Rohan looking out in the library? Rohan was looking out for a book on wild animals in the library. What did Rohan do in the library? What he did, children? Yes, you can tell me. Yes, Rohan tore out the photograph of giant panda from the book and put it in his pocket. Why did Rohan feel disappointed on reading the Harry Potter book? Why he felt disappointed, children? Tell fast. Yes, he felt disappointed on reading the Harry Potter book because when he reached the end of the book, he found that the last page of the book was missing. What did Rohan promise to librarian? Rohan promised the librarian that he would never do such a thing in future. You children also have to promise me that you will also never ever tear any pages from any books. Are you getting me? Yes, because books are giving us knowledge. We have to respect it. Then only we can gain knowledge from it. Okay. Next, let's go to the next one. Yes, can you find this question? Bit number B, number the following sentences in order to complete the story. Open your book. Be ready with the pencil. Yes, so let's begin. Let's see the question. Yes, in this way I think it is given in your book. So one by one we will tell in what order the story will be complete. So we need to number the sentences accordingly. So let's have a look on it. So first would be, can you see in the screen? Yes, it is visible. Rohan wanted some pictures on wildlife. So what he did next? He went to the library and found a book on wildlife. He tore away the pictures he wanted when nobody was looking. So this is number 3. Which one is 4? Number 4 would be, after a few days, Rohan went to the library again. Number 5. He started reading a book on Harry Potter and found it very interesting. Number 6. When he reached the end, he found the last 2 pages missing. Number 7. He felt disappointed and realized his mistake of tearing pages from a book. Number 8, he went to the librarian and told the whole story and promised not to do it again. Number 9, finding that Rohan was repentant, she forgave her. Do it fast, children. We'll go to the next slide. Okay, so we will, if you are finding any problem while dictating time, what you can do, you can pause the video. Are you getting it, children? You can pause the video and see the picture and write, no issues. Question number C, name 3 of your favorite books. So children, whatever books you like it, you can mention any 3 of them, because all of you are different, you have different likings, so that is why you can write the book name of the book of your choice. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Make a list of 5 things we should not do in a library. Yes, these are the things we should not do in a library. So what are the things? Number 1, don't misplace the book. What do you mean by misplace? Misplace means keeping the book, whatever place is assigned to the book, taking the book and keeping it to another section. So that we need not do. Wherever is the place of the book, we need to keep back the book again in the same place. Don't tear pages from the book. Yes, children, because as you read how Rohan was so much interested to read the book, but then he could not come to the conclusion because any person might have tore the page, and he also did the same, no? So he also deprived someone. So that is why we should never ever tear pages from the book. Don't make noise in the library. Number 4, don't steal books. Number 5, don't throw waste in the library. Next, we will come to thought of the day. So what is the thought of the day? Libraries are temples of learning. Yes, whenever you are going to library, it is a temple. Like how we worship God, we should worship books as well, because it is imparting, it is giving us knowledge. Yes, definitely yes. So number F, key value. What is the key value learned here? The key value learned here is care. We should care of our things, of our books, of our family, everything. Next, this question I need all of you to do it on your own. What is the question? Write 5 things we should do in a library. So you will write any of the 5 things which you think should be done in a library. I know you can do it. So here we have finished up with the video.